Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the TP-Link TL-WN725N. It's a 150 Mbps wireless N Nano USB adapter. As you can see from the cutout here, the USB dongle looks very small. It comes with 2 years of warranty and it works on Windows, Mac and Linux. One thing to note is that this USB dongle is USB 2 dongle and it runs really slow at 150 Mbps. Let's go over to the back of the box. Here you have information regarding the Wi-Fi dongle, how it connects to the router and the size of the dongle itself. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the packaging. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. So here is quick installation guide. This is the driver CD. Here is a quick installation guide, a guide that is used to... I don't think you really need this guys because it's very straightforward to use USB dongles. You just plug, it's basically plug and play. This is the other quick installation guide. It basically has you pretty much have the same details as to how to use the USB Wi-Fi dongle, and this is the dongle itself. Look at how small it looks like. I'm just trying to remove the little package that it sits in, and here is the USB dongle. I'm going to push it out. This is really small. This is best used at laptop type environments where you don't want a large Wi-Fi dongle sticking out from your USB port. Alright, so here is how it looks like after being installed. There's a small LED light to indicate network activity. And this is another side view. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.